Xiaomi, a global tech manufacturer, has finally unveiled its first-ever all-electric sedan, the SU7 internationally. The sedan was recently showcased at the brand's EV technology launch event in Beijing, China. The Xiaomi SU700 will be offered in 3 variants, namely SU7, SU7 Pro, and SU7 Max. As for the color options, the sedan will get 3 exterior paint schemes, including aqua blue, mineral gray, and verdant green. SU7 base model is rear-wheel drive, RWD, with Xiaomi's in-house developed V6 engine with a maximum power of 220 kW and 400 Nm torque. It can sprint 100 km/h in 5.28 seconds. It will have a battery with 73.6 kWh capacity, providing a 668 km range under the CLTC, China Light Duty Vehicle Test Cycle, standard. The performance version, SU7 Max, will be AWD equipped with dual motors with a maximum output of 495 kVr and 838 Nm torque. The 0-100 km/h acceleration is 2.78 seconds, and the top speed is 265 km/h. The EV can also do 0-200 km/h in 10.67 seconds. The KTL's Qilin NMC battery has a capacity of 101 kW and provides an 800 km CLTC range. Inside the car is a 16.1 central control screen with 3K resolution, a 7.1 instrument panel for the driver, and 2 screens in the rear for passengers, which are actually Xiaomi tablets called MyPads. Apple iPad is also compatible. Navigation can be screened on 56-inch HUD. The cockpit operation system HyperOS is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8295. The automated driving system, ADAS, Xiaomi Pilot, is powered by 2 NVIDIA Orin X chips with 508 TOPS computing power. The battery can recharge 390 km in 10 minutes, more than the Tesla Model S Plaid. In 5 minutes, SU7 can add 220 km, and in 15 minutes, 510 km. The SU7 sits on Xiaomi's Modena platform and is slightly longer than the Porsche Taycan. The dimensions are 4997 1963 by 1455 mm LWH with a wheelbase of 3,000 mm. The car has a sizable 105-liter frunk and boot space with 517 liters. Xiaomi Pilot ADAS will receive input from 1 LiDAR, 3 mm wave radars, 11 HD cameras, and 12 ultrasonic radars. The autonomous driving system includes highway driving, self-parking features, and car summoning. The city driving will be available by the end of 2024 in over 100 cities in China. Car News China expects the base model's price to start under 300,000 yuan, 4,200 USD. Xiaomi didn't tell us when the deliveries will start. According to Lei Jun, SU7 will begin mass production in H1 2024. We will keep an eye on it.